Suppose there is a piston over here. Okay. What is the next question? What is the sign convention used for what? Work done. Okay. So I have taken one vessel. There is a piston over there, and if I give the heat, so heat is absorbed. Heat is what? Absorbed by the what? System. So when heat is absorbed by the system, temperature increases, pressure increases, volume also increases. Am I right? When volume increases means what? Now piston will do the work. Matlab system expand. System expand means what? We will say work is done by the system on the surrounding. So that time work done is what? Work done is what? Positive. And definitely energy absorbed, na? Energy absorbed, that is also be positive. Understood? Same thing what we have done in the last question. Okay. Now reverse. This is the first condition. When system compresses. The simple example is what? Your gas cylinder, LPG cylinder. There is what? Expanded pressure will be, but we will say pressure is inside that cylinder. Am I right? So that time, what we have done, work done is what? Negative. Am I right? And energy is absorbed, energy loses, we will say. That time energy is what? Definitely loses. That means it is what? Negative. Understood, students? So यहाँ पे simple example I am going to take. When energy is what? Expand. Suppose if I take one diagrammatical representation, this blue part is what? System. Temperature of the system. And this is what? Temperature of the environment. Same thing I am going to write down here. Temperature of the system, temperature of the environment, temperature of the system, temperature of the environment. Am I right? If temperature of the system is more than the temperature of the environment, then Q is always positive. Am I right? When temperature of the surrounding is okay, when temperature of the it's temperature of the temperature of the system. This is system, no? When temperature of the system is more than the temperature of the environment, no? Then Q is always negative. Remember that. Okay. When temperature of the system is what? Greater than the, less than the environment. Environment से heat आ रही है ना, तो Q is always be positive. Environment से heat आ रही है ना, तो heat is absorbed. Here heat is what? Absorbed. So here heat is what? Absorbed. When heat is absorbed, it is always be positive. When it is what? Revolve or release, then Q is always negative. Okay, and when temperature both having same, then Q is always 0. Understood, students? Samjha? Everyone say yes or no?